This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hi, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we just finished up this 3-car garage with optional baseboards in Wesley Chapel. You can see the project turned out really beautiful, looks great. So this was a full diamond grinding. We removed the cure and seal, and then once the cure and seal was removed, then we cut the cap back so that we get back down to aggregate. Now, part of our normal process is to sand and fill the control joints, and that's how we get the seamless surface. It just leaves a much nicer looking job than having the cut lines running up through your floor. Now here's some details of the baseboards. Now the baseboards are an option, but we like doing them because it gives the floor a much more finished, installed look. Just makes a nicer looking project. Here's some details around the fixture. Now this job had a very rough lead-in edge. And what we had to do was we had to square that up and then round it over. And there was some weak patching material in the lead-in edge, so we ground that all off and we replaced it with our epoxy compound. And you can see what that looks like. Very neat looking job, and it's very strong now. This is a polyaspartic UV stable top coat. Polyaspartic is very durable, goes on very thin, and it's very durable, very scratch resistant. Here's that lead-in edge again. This color is Domino. Domino is just a real simple blend of black, white, and gray chips. Goes with everything, just neutral in color, reflects a lot of light. Just a little bit more details. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.